how to remove lock screen password on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove lock screen password on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone and now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on password and security. And now here in this section, just tap on screen lock or the screen lock type. And with that, in here, you simply have to enter your current PIN, pattern, or password to confirm. And now here, once you are in this section, simply tap on the option that says turn off screen lock. And with that, simply have to confirm it, and once you do it, the screen lock will be removed. So here, if you only see the options like PIN, passport, pattern, fingerprint, then you can pick the lock type you want or remove the fingerprints at there. And that's it. That's how you can remove the lock screen password on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.